Hi students and friends, this is your host and teacher Sayyid Ayaz, and you're watching Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. So let's continue with the past papers of 0620, and I selected the variant 22 for the year October-November 2023, and I'm done till 20. So I'll continue from question number 21. Here's the question. Which method is used to produce insoluble salts? A. Addition of excess insoluble base to an acid. So if you react excess of insoluble base to an acid, you will get the soluble salt. So this can't be the right choice. B. Addition of excess metal to an acid. This looks correct to me. Sorry, this is also incorrect. C. Precipitation using two aqueous solutions. This is correct. Precipitation involves the mixing of two soluble salt, aqueous solution of two soluble salts, or acid and salt. You will get one insoluble salt and soluble salt. For your convenience, I am reading the last statement. Titration using an acid and alkali. This is also incorrect. This produces soluble salt. So only C is the right choice in this case. The noble gases are in group 8 of the periodic table. Some properties of the first 4 noble gases are shown. Here's a list of boiling point density. Which row identifies the trends in boiling point and in density as group 8 is descended? Now, this is going down the group. Let's see the boiling point. You see the boiling point, this increases as you go down. What about the density? Density also increases. So B must be the right answer. 23, some properties of element R are shown. The melting point is 98 degrees centigrade, boiling point is 883 degrees centigrade. Reaction with cold water gives off H2 gas. Reaction with when heated with oxygen burns to give a white solid. In which part of the periodic table is R found? Melting point is low, boiling point is high, and on reaction with cold water it gives hydrogen gas, and when heated with oxygen it gives a white solid. It must be in group 1. These are the typical properties of group 1. So A must be the right answer. Other choices are incorrect. Group 7, so non-metal. Group 8 does not react. Transient metals or transient elements, they don't have low melting point, as well as they are not reactive and their compounds are mostly colored. 24. Which pair of compounds shows that transition elements have variable oxidation states? Now, for this, you need to find out the oxidation states of transition metals. These are the transition metals. Here we have chromium, here we have copper, iron, and nickel. So in Cr2O3, what about the oxidation state of oxygen? Oxygen is more electronegative. It's in group 6. It must be having -2. Second is bromine. Bromine is group 7. Must be having -1. So Cr2O3. So we have 2x plus 3 multiplied by -2. Overall oxidation state is 0. So we'll get 2x minus 6 is equal to 0, or 2x is equal to plus 6, x is equal to plus 3. So it's having plus 3. CrBr3. CrBr3, x plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x is equal to plus 3. So in both of these compounds, it has same oxidation state. So this can't be the right answer. CuSO4 and CuCl2. SO4 carries -2 charge. So Cu must be carrying +2 charge. What about Cl? Cl is in group 7, it must be having -1 charge, 2Cl. So x plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0, or x is equal to plus 2. So plus 2. So this is also incorrect. What about C? Fe2O3 and FeCl2. Fe2O3, 2Fe, 2x plus 3 multiplied by -2 is equal to 0, 2x minus 6 is equal to 0, x equal to plus 6 by 2 gives plus 3. Here it's carrying plus 3. What about FeCl2? It must be carrying plus 2 charge or plus 2 oxidation state. So this must be the right answer. For your convenience, I am doing the last one. NiO. NiO. We have x for Ni. -2 gives 0, or x equal to plus 2. So it must be carrying plus 2. What about NiCl2? Again carrying plus 2. So this is also incorrect. C will be the right answer for this multiple choice question. 25. The list gives the order of some metals and hydrogen in the reactivity series. Metal X is also included. Here's metal X. Which row shows the properties of metal X? Will it react with dilute acid? No, should not react with dilute acid. Oxide reduced by carbon. Yes, it must have oxide reduced by carbon. So choice B must be the right answer. Other choices are incorrect. When zinc is added to an aqueous solution containing magnesium ions, there is no reaction. Which species has the greatest tendency to lose electrons? It's very easy. Magnesium is more reactive than zinc. Must be magnesium, Mg. 27. Which gas in the air is needed for iron to rust? It's oxygen. So D is the right answer. 28. Which coating prevents iron from rusting even when the coating is damaged? It must be zinc coating. So D is the right answer in this case, because if this coating of these damaged, grease, paint or plastic, iron start rusting. Zinc is the only one which reacts in preference to iron. 29. Why is limestone added to the blast furnace? It neutralizes the molten slag produced. Wrong. It reacts with impurities to form slag. This looks correct to me. C. It releases carbon dioxide and reduces the iron 3 oxide. No, limestone does not react with iron 3 oxide. Incorrect. Last, it removes acidic gases such as carbon dioxide. It's also incorrect. So B is the right answer. 30. The flow chart shows stages in the treatment of river water produce drinking water. So we have stages from river water, we have sedimentation tank, then we have stage D, G, J, stage K, and drinking water. What occurs at stages J and K? So after sedimentation tanks, it has to be filtered and it needs to be chlorinated before allowing it or using it for drinking purpose. So C must be the right answer in this case. Other choices are incorrect. 31. Carbon dioxide acts as a greenhouse gas by interacting with a particular type of energy that radiates from the Earth's surface into the atmosphere. Which type of energy is involved and what happens when this energy interacts with carbon dioxide molecules? Now, the energy involved is thermal energy. So either A is correct or B is correct. Both C and D is incorrect. Now, what happens with the thermal energy? The carbon dioxide molecules increase the Earth's energy lost to space. No, it does not increase the Earth's energy lost to space. So A is incorrect. Carbon dioxide molecules absorb energy. Yes, this is the reason. B is the right answer for this one. 32. Oxides of nitrogen such as NO and NO2 are formed in the petrol engines of cars. They are removed from the exhaust gases by reactions in the car's catalytic converter. Which row describes how oxides of nitrogen are formed in a petrol engine and a reaction that happens in the catalytic converter? How oxides are formed? First of all, you see this. By the reaction between nitrogen and oxygen from the air, yes, either A is correct or B is correct. Because in this, by the reaction between nitrogen compounds in petrol, we don't have nitrogen compounds in petrol and oxygen from the air. So C and D both are incorrect. You see, I've narrowed down the choices. Now it becomes easier to choose the best answer from these two for you. The nitrogen monoxide must be reacting with carbon monoxide to produce nitrogen gas, N2 and CO2. So A must be the right answer in this case. 33. Which diagram shows the display formula for the named organic compound? First one, ethanoic acid. This is wrong. Don't have any 3 oxygen here. So this is incorrect. B, ethene. Remember, this is wrong bonding for carbon. Carbon is tetravalent. Which means it forms 4 bonds only. So here they are showing 5 bonds to each carbon atom. So this is also incorrect. C. This is ethanol. This looks correct to me. C must be the right answer. For your convenience, I am reading the last one. Methane. This is also incorrect. The reason is that this is the second member of alkane. Methane is the first member. So this is ethane. C is the right answer for 33. 34. What is the total number of covalent bonds in a molecule of butane? So for this, we need to draw the displayed formula of butane. We have 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are hydrogen atoms. Let's count the bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So C must be the right answer for this question. 35. Propane reacts with chlorine in a substitution reaction. Which reaction condition is required for the reaction to occur? It must be ultraviolet light. So D is the right answer. Can't have acid catalyst, iron catalyst, or temperature of 400 degrees centigrade. The structure of an organic compound is shown. This is propanol. Which structure represents a molecule that reacts with steam to produce this product? So it must be coming from propene. Must be coming from propene. 1, 2, 3. You can place one double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see if you will find any propene here. So D must be the right answer for 36. Which term describes nylon? It's a polyamide. C is the right answer. Ethene can be polymerized. Which diagram represents the structure of product form? Ethene, when polymerizing ethene, what is the formula of ethene? Yeah, carbon-carbon double bond to ethene. When you polymerize it, you remove this bond and it will become like this. C must be the right answer in this case. 39. And acid-base titration is described. 25 centimeter cube of dilute aqueous alkali is put into a conical flask. Indicator is added to the flask. Dilute acid added to the aqueous alkali until the indicator changes color. The volume of acid used is then recorded. Which use of apparatus is correct? 25 centimeter cube of aqueous alkali is measured using a volumetric pipette. This looks correct to me. Volumetric pipette can be used to transfer 25 centimeter cube of aqueous alkali. B, the 25 centimeter cube of aqueous alkali is measured using the lines on the conical path. This is wrong. We need accurate volume of alkali. C, the volume of acid is measured using a measuring cylinder. This is also incorrect. Burette is used for this purpose. D, volume of acid is measured using a volumetric flask. This is also incorrect. As I told you, burette is used, titrated from acid is transferred from burette. So A must be the right answer in this case. Last question. Substance Q is investigated using chromatography. The chromatogram is shown. The diagram is not drawn to scale. What is the RF value of Q? We need to find the RF value of Q. So we need to subtract this one from the distance covered by the Q. So we'll have 83 minus 13 divided by, what is the solvent front? 114 minus 13 again. So 83 minus 13 will give 70 divided by 114 minus 13 gives 101. 70 divided by 101 gives 0.693. 0.69. C must be the right answer in this case. Thanks for watching. Press like and share my videos. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.